Here are 4 reasons why the acupuncture with the scalar projector is the future. 1. Deep amplification. By focusing the scalar arc directly onto the acupuncture needle, the energy channeled into the body's meridian is amplified. People report feeling more rested, rejuvenated, and balanced than ever before. 2. Chi flow. The synergy of acupuncture with scalar projection augments the flow of chi. Think of it as turbocharging the acupuncture process, achieving quicker and more pronounced results. 3. The holistic healing. Scalar energy has been celebrated for its ability to harmonize physical, mental, and energetic realms, all the way leading to our ancient ancestors. So by incorporating it into acupuncture sessions, practitioners are offering a holistic healing experience that goes beyond just addressing physical complaints. 4. Setting the standards in TCM. Modern patients seek the best and latest in treatments. By fusing ancient acupuncture wisdom with scalar technology, TCM practitioners are at the forefront of a transformative healthcare movement.